So yeah, rest in peace to Warrens, and just don't haunt me. Luis is ruling. He lives in.
I am no. I hear there ain't much going on over in.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Whoa. Thank God I'm the editor.
Thank God, man.
Luis, you're fucked.
Hey, yo. Thank God there for sure ain't shit going on over in Toronto.
Okay, that one's fine. That one's fine.
Yeah, Toronto's fine. I just wanted their social security and insurance money. My bad, y'all.
Silly accident. Happens to everybody.
Yeah, of course. Don't you get possessed by a demon every now and then? Well, just Luis.
Happens to the
Just
best of us.
Just he's inviting it into his household.
Shut the fuck up. Effectively.
We're laughing now.
What the fuck am I saying?